Cupcake Squad, welcome back to another video. So today I'm with Lily. And today I'm with Autumn. And today we are going to be role playing, and I will be the mom. Autumn will be the kid, and Lily will be the cat. And we built a little platform that looks like water because we did not want to launch our boat because it sometimes flings us out and we don't want to keep restarting the video, so we just went ahead and did that to start the roleplay. Start. Okay, let's grab a bag of chips. I brought you a bag of chips. Then, yeah, let me put it in your chest. I'm sorry since the hurricane that we got thrown into the ocean, but at least this big house can at least alert some people that we're out here and we need help. Yeah. I'm gonna go look outside at the beautiful view. Because you don't see this every day. Wait, is that? It's a little kitty cat. I love how you've been out here. I need to bring you. Okay, kitty, don't be scared. Jump. Good, kitty. I'm so sorry you've been out there. Come inside. You must be so cold. It's so freezing out there. I need to get something hot. What's something hot that we have? Oh yeah, I left something inside the oven, didn't I? Yeah, it's a little bit warm. It's not the hottest, but here, warm up with this. It's a little hot, and it's pretty hot. Just snuggle up in that. Wow, I can't believe I found a cat. Come here. What? Look. Yeah, I found it outside. I don't know how long it's been out there, or if it was in our house or even on our house when the hurricane happened. I don't know, but she was outside, and that's all I know. I think we'll have to keep her in here until we can find her home, or maybe even us keep her. But I'm gonna grab me some chips too because I'm hungry. Wait, she must be hungry too. Wait, we used to have a cat, so maybe she can have this room. You like this room? Here, I'm pretty sure we have some things in the freezer. Pretty sure soft food in the freezer. Go get some soft food in the freezer. Oh, you're fitting me already. I'm glad to see that. Okay, well, I'm going to check her if she has any fleas, so I'm going to leave her in there, because we don't want fleas, because we have nothing to treat them. But I do have a comb. It is a hair comb, but, I mean, we can try our best. So, where did I put that? Oh, it's on the counter. Grab it. You want me to put it in there? I want you to put it in the kitty. Okay, put it. I need to calm you. Okay. I'm not seeing any fleas. So, I mean, it's kind of hard to get fleas when you're kind of in the ocean, so it kind of makes sense. But okay, you can eat now. Go eat. I think he likes stuff there. Maybe I'll just grab it and give it to him. There you go, kitty. Are we going to name or something? Maybe. Aw, Look, she's eating. Okay, kitty. You can come down now. You need to get warm. This is one of the coldest rooms in the house, so we gotta work with what we got. It's so dark outside. We need to get to bed. Well, I'm going to watch TV because we have a little bit of signal, but not much.
Well, you're sleepy.
You're sleepy? Okay, do you want me to get you something and then put you in bed?
Yeah.
You want a drink or something, or a snack?
I want some lemonade.
Lemonade? Okay, let me look if we have any. Oh no, we're out of lemonade. You drank it all yesterday.
Can I buy them?
Yes, I'll go to the bathroom to see because it doesn't really work that much, but I can grab a little bit because we don't have much liquids. Okay, I got a little bit. You have about 3 sips. There you go.
Okay, bye.
Good night. Where'd the kitty go? Oh, it's looking out the window. Go outside. You want to go outside? Yeah? You can go in the backyard. I don't want you to run away. In the backyard? It's fun out here, isn't it? Don't jump over, please. Yeah, there's a ball. Whoa, kitty! Whoa! Oh my gosh. Now we don't have a soccer ball. Let's go back inside. Come here. Now you're all wet. I can't dry you off, so we'll just have to air dry. I'm sorry. Maybe I'll calm you. Maybe it'll be like a bath, since we don't have a lot of water. Calm you. Hey, good night, little kitty. Need to head to bed too. Looks like it's morning. Let's see how the kitty's doing. Aw, still asleep. I'll leave it open so you can come out whenever she wants. Hello. Good morning. Come outside.
Good morning.
You want to go see the kitty? Oh, where'd the kitty go? The kitty went somewhere. Oh, the kitty went on the couch. Aw. Come pet the kitty. Come say hi. I'm gonna make pancakes. Okay. Here, you make the cat food. There you go. You hear it boiling? Maybe frying or whatever. Okay, it looks like it's all done. I know, Caleb. I know, you're meowing. Okay. So, here's your pancakes. And give the kitty its food.
go get it.
Let's put your pancakes on the counter. Go eat them.
Okay.
Okay. Now that kitty is fed, well, need to use the bathroom. So.